I overreacting by telling my husband that our house is my house? 6 years ago, I was privileged enough to inherit money from my great aunt, about $300,000. I used this money to buy a 1,300 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for myself and my husband. It was established when we moved in that we'd use one bedroom for our obvious bedroom, and we'd each get a room to use as our offices. A year into living there, all of his hobby stuff began spilling over to the rest of the house, into my spare room, in all closets, on kitchen counters, mutual living areas, just filled with his stuff. He told me that I was being unreasonable, that I wasn't using the guest room for anything important. Therefore, it's unfair to gatekeep it. 4 years later, we had a baby. After our son was born, I turned the guest room into his nursery, and my husband continues to store his spillover in our son's room. I told him to stop doing this, that this has gotten completely out of control, and he argued and tried to justify this to me. I finally had the biggest breakdown of all time. I yelled out to him that this is my house. I brought this contribution to our relationship, and he has no respect for it. He got extremely hurt and told me that it was completely unhinged of me to say that I didn't pay for the house with my own money, and that I'm being possessive and completely overreacting to it all, that it's no big deal that his stuff is out everywhere, so.